Hi, I'm Tony from Trusted Choices. This video provides a tutorial on how to effectively seal gaps between your concrete slabs. It contains step-by-step instructions, tips, techniques, hacks, and money-saving products to ensure a proper sealing process. The tools needed are gel knee pads, preen weed killer, Sitka Flex self-leveling sealant, backer rod, and polymeric sand. Let's get started. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty. We'll start by prepping the expansion joint. To prep the expansion joint, follow these steps. First, clean up the area, especially if it's fall when leaves and twigs can clutter the space. It's important to clear everything out because the sealant is very sticky, and any debris that falls on it will adhere. Clear the area as much as possible before cleaning the expansion joint, inserting the backer rod, and applying the sealant. Use a blower to remove all debris from the area. Once the surface is clean, take an old flathead screwdriver to remove any remnants of the old expansion joint material, which may have dried up and broken down over the years. After removing the old material, use a handheld vacuum or a shop vac, the more suction, the better, to clean out the expansion joint thoroughly. Once vacuumed, take a wire brush to ensure all dirt and loose debris is off the concrete. This ensures the sealant can bond properly. All old, broken-down expansion joint material must be removed before inserting the backer rod. Install the backer rod, filling in the open cracks. Use a 1/2 inch to 3/4 inch diameter rod for most projects, but switch to a 1 inch diameter if it's too loose. Fill voids with polymeric sand before pressing the rod firmly into place. Use gel knee pads for comfort and press the rod 1/4 to 1/2 inch below the surface with a putty knife or thin flathead screwdriver. At the ends of your joints, add a shim or gorilla tape to manage sealant flow. Get 80 to 100 feet for bulk savings, and check the pinned link for the best price. Now you're ready to apply the sealant. Apply Sitka Flex self-leveling sealant using a 29-ounce tube. Wear gloves and keep a cardboard box nearby for breaks. The sealant is semi-self-leveling, making application easier. Cover a 17-foot stretch with one tube. Watch for debris that can stick to the sealant. The sealant color you choose does not matter. After applying the Sitka Flex self-leveling sealant, sprinkle a light coating of sand over the sealant while it's still sticky. Be careful not to use too much sand. After about 10 minutes, use a leaf blower to gently blow off the excess sand, leaving only a very thin layer on top. This will help the sealant blend in with the concrete surface for a more uniform appearance. Prepared to DIY. Before you get started, check out the description for a list of all the materials you need found at the cheapest cost. Good luck from Trusted Choices.